Good morning, fabulous first graders. Today you are going to read a wordless book. What do you think a wordless book is? Maybe a book with no words. Remember in school we read the book without pictures? Well, today you're going to read a book without words. So, it will give you the title of the book. The title is called The Last Piece of Cake. So, when there's no words, we really have to pay attention to the pictures to try to figure out what's going on in the story. So, here you have a dog and a piece of cake, and I'm telling you it's the last piece of cake. So I'm going to scroll down. The book's formatted a little bit differently. The last piece of cake. Now again, you can look at the mom's face, the little girl's face, and the dog's face to see if that gives you any clues. So here is the first page of the story. You have a dog here, and everyone is thinking about a piece of cake. What could be the words? If there were words to the story, what could the words be? For your writing assignment today, you're going to have to go back to this book and write in the words that you think are happening. Okay, so looking at this picture, what do you think people are thinking? What do you think the story is? Over here, same thing. What do you think's going on here? What are they thinking about? What do you think might happen? Okay. Over here, who is this man? What is he doing? Look where he's standing. And what do you think could be going on in this part of the story? And then here, same thing. Maybe the mom and the dad, there's a piece of cake, the dog looks kind of happy. So again, in your mind, start coming up with some words of how you think the story might go. So continuing on, more pictures, more story. Who do you think these people are? And how do you think that they feel based on their faces? And here's the dog, and the dog's going to need a name. So what do you want to name your dog? And how do you think he feels, or she? Okay, and then here, based on the picture, what happened? Okay, and at the very end, let's look at faces, see what happened. Where do you think they could be going? Because here's the house behind them. The dog's sleeping on the couch, and the family's leaving. Where do you think they're going? Where would they be going in your story? So, your assignment today for reading is to review the pictures in this wordless story, and then you come up with the story that goes along with the pictures. And share it with me. I can't wait to see how your stories turn out. I miss you.